Hello everyone, how to toast back with another new video. So today I'm gonna share with you how you can hide your any status or text, videos, reels or picture in your Facebook timeline after posting. Okay, so for example, if you post something and after that you think that you want to hide this post from the public or your friend or anyone, then you can easily hide this after posting. So how can you do this? Just watch the video till the end, then you will learn how to do this. So that's how we need to go Facebook app. So I'm just going to click my Facebook app and then go to your go to your Facebook timeline. So you can see the option. So just click on this and click your name, then scroll down a little bit, then choose the post which post you want to do this. So I'm just click here, three dot, and then you'll see the option edit privacy. So this one, so simply click edit privacy and then you can see the option only me, this one. So when you click only me, then it will save it automatically and go back from this, and you can see your this post like the lock icon. So it means no one can able to see this post. So okay friend, I hope this video was helpful for you. Please consider to subscribe my channel and see you the next video.